Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you how to get the Projector app on your phone. So this app lets you project stuff and it's super cool onto your wall, whatever. So basically just go over to matrixmods.com. So in this website, guys, you can see right here, Projector app. So just press on it, press download, and it's gonna start the download. So before it downloads, it's gonna be a verification. This is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So let's just give it a second. All right. So as you can see, now we are seeing the verification page, and we just have to download 2 of these apps from the list to complete the verification, guys. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Underdog Fantasy says download and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do DraftKings Casino, which says like search something up. I could do Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. But there you go, matrixmods.com, guys. This is the website. So yeah, don't turn on the low power mode, guys, while you're doing this. It's gonna really affect you because it's not gonna be able to download anything. So make sure that's off. But other than that, you should be good to go. So be sure to try it out, guys. Matrixmods.com. That's the website right there. So if you guys are interested, definitely go ahead and tell your friends. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, I've always been looking for ways to install the Projector app onto my phone, and now I have the real working method. So definitely go ahead and try it out. Super cool. And this video is 2026 approved, so can't go wrong there with a 2026 approved method. So I hope you guys found this useful. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. But that's the website, guys, matrixmods.com. So yeah, so insane. It actually works. So if this tutorial works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. But you'll know on the App Store, there's actually no Projector app on the App Store. So you guys are going to be screwed. So make sure you go and you do it through this website, guys, and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it totally is updated. So definitely go ahead and try it out, guys. This is so cool. And yeah, it actually works. So pretty wild stuff. If you guys are in the market for a Projector app, you're really going to like this. Trust me, it is fully working. So yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, fully updated, guys. Enjoy it, and no jailbreak is needed or computer. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, peace out, my gang and my crew.